Good day, everybody. I'd like to show you my next set if you'd care to see the 10x6 Atlas set from the last set in the book of blueprints, the 10x6 over and under dog bone. It's got a reverse loop incorporated into it. It's only got one power pack, but I got two trains running off it. It's got two passing sidings. I'm going to run the other one by. Remember the switches here. I'm going to pass it up. And we're going to have some fun reverse looping even. I'm going to turn around and go the other way. I'm going to give it some ground. Let it get a head start. It's one main line, but it's such a big, large amount of track, long track, you can run two trains they'll probably never hit. The F7's an old Mantua, Pennsylvania, early Tyco, and Union Pacific's an AHM. Have some fun watching if you'd like. The Bachmann blinking bridge I wired to a separate power pack where you can set the voltage. Those little packs are so cheap. I threw it in because if you wire the bridge to the track power, the train seems to pulse with the light pulsing. Not very realistic. Doesn't run the best. So I isolated the light and ran it to a power pack. We come in here. I'm going to run by this one again. Oh. Coming off the trestle, we could probably use a shim here. The track was a little like that, but that's what re-railers are for, eh? Well, with the track blocks, of course, you can block one train and run the other, and the Atlas controller for the reverse loop. I just wanted to block that one and run a reverse to show you how it works. A lot of people are scared of the reverse loop. Oh, I don't know how to do it. So here's a tutorial. The reverse loop section, well, I should say first of all, the set comes here and winds into the double siding there, goes up here past the side track and over and back down and around. But with these two junctions right here, the four switches, you can reverse loop it and go the other way. So as this train comes around, I'm going to take this junction and it's going to come across there and then it's going the other way. So you just have to know how to throw your controller before it hits each track insulated section and you're fine. Continuous operation, I mean. The this end here of the reverse loop is double isolated, not single, of course. Right there, and there's a double here, and a double here, and two doubles here on the side tracks. So we're going to come around here and I'll kind of show you how to work the switches. First of all, we'll throw the code 100s. And another tip is you can wire these to one controller. I just have them on two. So you throw one control and they'll both go one way or the other. Alright. So the reverse loop section again is here, but being cut off here, I'm into the main line again. And Atlas says when you reverse direction using a controller, don't use your power pack controller, use the controller, you know, for direction. It simplifies it. You can use the transformer button too, but it's kind of hard to explain. It helps you run the reverse loop better if you use the red switch. And when you're within the track block, that is the reverse loop here, you reverse direction by the gray XY switch. So, thinking ahead, when you're going to reverse, when you come off heading the direction you are onto the reverse loop, you're going to be reversing. So prior to hitting that, you throw your reverse loops switch the other way. The train's going to enter here and hopefully keep going if I did it right. But then, because you're reversed on the main line past here, when you hit the reverse loop section, you throw this one too, and then it should be continuous. It won't fight itself till you throw the switches right. Oh, let's see if I did it right. Sorry. We have a mechanical problem. I'll have to find out what happened. Might have been a switch. I think a coupler hit or something, yeah, a coupler pin, but we're on a reverse loop, but I got a derailment, sorry. I just put this together today. I'm wondering if maybe I didn't snip the pins on one of these cars, but those remote uncoupler pins. But we got the switch right here. There, I got them all on. I'm just going to look at this quick. What happened here? Huh. We'll bring it around again. So when it hits here, it should continue. No, I did it wrong. Sorry. Live TV, you can't pause. I think I gave you the basic idea right, but I didn't hit the switches right. Boy, that looked bad, but it takes a little practice. I'm still practicing. I close my switches there. I like the track there now. I don't know what I did. What happened? Heard a little clunk there. Probably right here. I use these little wire trees to hold my temp wires up, instead of running them under the track, and then there's multiple derailments. Uneven track. So let's try it the other way. I'm going to come down this one, do the switches, should reverse the reverse loop. We don't have a derailment, it'll look better. Now it's on a reverse loop, and I got to hurry up and throw that one so it'll keep going. There it went. And that's it, then you can just run the other direction. I thought I heard that caboose threaten to come off back there again, but some cars just don't like some switches. And now we're going to go back up that way. So here's my crossover, and when I reverse, I'm going to throw the main line the other way. Then I kept going. Close the junction. Now when I hit the reverse loop, I reverse, so I throw the reverse loop the other way, and I kept going. It hit the spot there. I don't know if I got this right. Yep, okay. If I kept going, we got it right. So we can run them both at once. I'm going to isolate the Union Pacific and hit the Pennsylvania and take that out and turn it around so we can run the same way. Oop. I think we'll do the same thing here. Alright. Now we gotta reverse the main here. It's reverse current there now. And now I'm preparing the reverse loop section. And it kept going there. If you don't have the switch right, it'll stop like that. Woohoo! We got her. All the switches are closed and we're going the right way. You can run one train, of course, at a time too, but it's only one main line. You can't run two trains on separate mains at once. I'm going to give the Union Pacific a head start. It's a little quicker. Not too much. Or not too much of a head start. There we go. It's fun running two at once. Running a reverse loop continuous takes a little bit of practice. Don't worry about it. My mind is kind of fried yet from that. It's not that hard. It's just a little tricky till you get used to it. Not a big problem. I heard something back. Probably this one. We'll keep an eye on it. always test your tracks, your whole layout, period, first before you nail anything down, in case you got a bad connector or anything, or something just isn't right. This is for demonstration only. Everything's loose, but I like this little log car with the chains. I'm not sure what brand that is. It's neat. You can reverse both of them too and go the other way. There's 7 track blocks throughout the layout. And the blinking bridge, I hooked up to DC so you can regulate how fast it blinks. I have to pass up again. Whoop. Boy, did I get lucky. I threw that switch. Wrong switch too quick. It's so soothing just running more than one at once. Even just one train, really. I don't know if you heard that. I think the front coupler's hitting on that union back there. I'll fix it after the video. Looks like it's hanging a bit. I don't want to be rude. I'd do it now, but I don't want to be rude. Let's pass on the other one. I'll park on that passing siding there and take the Pennsylvania past it. Lots of fun. Come back out here. The Pennsylvania is a very nice old Mantua. It is so well preserved. Remarkable. Great shape. The design, track design has the triple bridges on it. Yeah, they're gonna pass each other. How about this for a little fun? I'll isolate the Pennsylvania on the main here, and then run the UP up on the reverse. Gonna run up here. And you throw the other main that way. Of course, you're gonna hit now, so I'll pass it back here. Run it by. There's one up, two off, or run by on three. It's all one power pack. It's not getting warm. You can run two at once. You get a big enough one. Just for fun, I think we'll take the side track that goes inside the car barn. We got it set on a track, right? Woohoo! And that's it. That's it for the video. If you want to park that in the siding, you can. I got it track blocked. You just hit the selector. Nothing happens. The UP could come by. The UP could come by now if you want to. One other trick is if you like your lighted bumpers, put two and you want them lit the whole time instead of a track power. Just isolate the two rails and solder the grain of wheat bulb right to accessory. I got it at 18 volts. And like I said, the blinking bridge can be set. This is cranked up all the way. Of course, it don't look good. And if you go down too far, it won't blink. So set it wherever you want it. I have never found a way to hook these up the way Bachman said to, with track power, where when the light blinked, the engine didn't surge. I don't know if somebody knows, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I haven't found the answer to that. No matter which engine I tried, it always did that, or bigger, smaller power packs. So I finally just insulated everything from the rails and ran an accessory to a power pack. And I think it works much better. This is in the Atlas Blueprints book. It's a really nice set. Last page. Great book to have. And then, as always, everything's for sale. The set is completed. It'll be listed on eBay tonight or my website, thetrainsaver.com. If you ever have any questions, let me know. I'm all gauges, sets, individual items, everything. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I always like making them. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.